terima aqui. Essa aqui.
Coming up, brother in the cash can.
Blue team has scored for the first time! Nice shots! Reloading!
I see the moon. Mahina. What?
I love the way you activate your hips and push your ass out. Gotta put the woman in so bad I'm about to pass out. Wanna dig you, and I can't even lie about it, baby. Just alleviate your clothes, I'ma fly out. Catch you at the club, your hips have got me feeling bright. Talking to me, but I think I ran the meaning. Now if you wanna roll with me, then here's your chance for me, lady, on the freeway. Catch me if you can, but give me in my ride. Still I'm just a simple man, all I want is money plus the fame. I'm a simple man, Mr. International, player with a passport, just like a Latin switch. Do anything you ask for, either him or me. The champagne and the sea, favorite of my homies when we cross on our enemies. Witnesses we creep to a low speed, beat what my foes need. Make some emojis for you don't need. Approaching women with a passion, been a long day, but I've been driven by attraction. It's wrong way. Your body is banging, baby. I love the way you're flowing. Tell me, give it to daddy. Sugar, and tell me how you want it.
Cover me! Enemy down! Reloading! Cover me!
Tell me, baby, is it cool to touch? Tell the man that you can trust like he's a fool with us. Wanna get you on the bus, it's so ironic. It's out on the verge of a rock. I'm making switches on misses like I can fix it. I drive my up and down like a roller coaster. Can I come inside you? I ain't stopping till the show is over. Cause I'm a rider, beating out just like a robbery. I'll probably be a freaking let you get on top of me. Do I can knees, nights full of Alizé. A living legend, you ain't heard about the players living Cali days. The Lord's chucking people fake to me. Instead of trying to help the brother, wanna take a tease. Mistaking me for Bill Clinton, Mr. Bob Dole. You're too old to understand the way the game's go. You're lame, so I gotta hit you with the hot tracks. Once I'm released, I'm making millions trying to top that. They wanna sense me, they rather see me in my cell. They're sniffing hell on me, a few of us a little tail. Now everybody talking about us, I ain't giving up with everyone that taught us all to cut. Come on, tell me how you want it.
Cover me! No mercy! Reloading!
How you want it.
Cover me!
I was raised as a youth, till you forgot the street on how to get bulletproof. Sex busting off the roof when I was a teenager. More before the sky pager, game rules, I'm living major. My adversaries is getting bloody, they paranoid of getting bloody. One of us go see the cemetery, they wonder if my lifestyle changed. And am I through with all the pain? Surviving in this game, it's still the same. Honey, just meet me at the strip club, bring it on. Look out, he's sending for that cash, once again it's on. I had no sympathy for those afraid of mystery. Come get with me, I promise passion and ecstasy. I'm alone, can I come over there tonight? Depend on me the one to handle it and get it right. Your body is banging, baby, I love the way you're flowing. Time to give it to daddy, sugar, and tell me how you want it.
I put my bros before hoes.
Killing spree for the blue team!
Yeah, I ain't got no need for contraception. Put my bros before my hoes, that's no misconception. Have more money I can blow, so I'm gonna spend it. New PlayStation and a whole new porn collection. That's what I got, no girl, it's a miracle. Now I'm running up the game like a clinical. I can focus on myself, egotistical. Don't need anybody else, unconditional.
I put my bros before hoes. You already know. Got no cheek to spend my shit, more money I can blow. I put my bros before hoes. You already know. I got a million problems, but a bitch ain't want no more.
Let's go. And all I fucking know is I got my pros, and wherever we're going, you know we own it. All I fucking know is I got my pros, and wherever we're going, I put my pros before. yeah. So we roll up to the club at 7. 6 dicks, no chicks, so we straight flexing. Bouncer is a piece of shit, says we need a 7. Told us that we need a chick, and she must be present. Fuck that, man, we learned our lesson. Got no worries, such as getting hella females pregnant. So we cross the street, get slushies at 7-Eleven. Back home to play a couple games of League of Legends.
I put my bros before hoes, you already know. Got no cheek to spend my shit, more money I can blow. I put my bros before hoes, you already know. I got a million problems, but a bitch ain't want no more.
Let's go. And all I fucking know is I got my pros, and wherever we're going, you know we own